Our today's lesson is a story and it is on a thirsty crow. Learning outcomes. After we have started this lesson, we will be able to listen information, ask and answer questions, write a story. It was a hot summer day. Once a crow was very thirsty. It flew about here and there looking for water. The crow saw a pot of water. He went close to the pot. He saw that there was a very little water in the pot. He could not reach the water. "What can I do? I'm very thirsty," said the crow itself. He looked around. He saw some pebbles. He had an idea. He picked up the pebbles one by one and dropped into the water. After a while, the water came up. He drank the water. He flew away happily. Evaluation. After the lesson, what we have learned. Answer the following question. What is the story about? Why was the crow flying here and there? What did he find? Why couldn't it reach to the water? How did he meet up his thirst? Write a story on a thirsty crow. Where there is a will, there is a way.